Hello guys, this is Priyanka Dubey here. I'm a business mentor and a marketing strategist. I help service-based business owners getting clients online. So if you are a service provider who works online and is just struggling to get clients online, I'm your girl. So if you want more details on that, you can just connect with me on my Instagram, Priyanka_Dubey04. I will link the description. I will link the Instagram link in the description. You can just go ahead and you can just contact me over. Also, why I am discussing this topic, because I have used Asana a whole lot of time with my team, with the people I have worked with, and this is one of the requested topic. And I in this YouTube video I'm going to talk about what is Asana, how you use it if you're a new. So basically this is a YouTube video for beginners. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So this is the Asana portal when you will log in. Okay, like it is a free version. I am not paying anything for that, and it is an old account, so that's why I'm just taking it into consideration right now. But if you want to upgrade, you will simply click over here and you can choose your plan. Like it is a premium plan, it is a business plan, an enterprise plan. So it completely depends like in what stage you are. But if you are just a beginner or you do not have a large I will say team group, I would not suggest you for going into these things. Just go for your free plan and you are good to go. For paying, like for signing up to the free plan, it is very easy. Just like we do for every tool, you just have to go ahead, you just have to sign up and you are good to go. Okay, so I'm not gonna waste time on that. So what you have to do is when you will log in, you will get access to like this dashboard, and this is the home one. This is where you can create tasks, you can search everything and all those things. And in this my task, you can go ahead and you can create new task. Okay, so you will just go ahead and you can task the name like YouTube videos or whatever it is. Okay, and here is the project. If you want to discuss, if you want to put another thing, you can do that. Just let it be like this only, because this is the task I'm creating for myself and it should be included right here only. Okay, and it is the my task. You can obviously export it, you can add task via email and you can synchronize it. I will discuss this later. So for it's my name, that it's for me. um, so I'm suggesting myself only here, and I will describe that what YouTube videos look like. Videos week 1, that means I'm giving all the description that what it would look like. Okay, so you just have to put all the description that you are doing ahead over here, and after that you can create a task, then it will get created. But before that, you can also go ahead and you can use these features. If you have a link, like if you are giving this task to your team member and you just want to give them and source from there they can take help from, you can simply attach the link over here, right? And also if you want to mention a teammate or whatever it is, you can do that by using this one. You can use smileys over here, obviously. And if you want to attach files, you can do that from the Google Drive, Dropbox, your computer and OneDrive. So you can just simply click on this button and you're good to go to attach the files. Also if you want to attach the due date, because most of the time we do that, because when we are assigning tasks to someone in our team, we keep the due date, that at what date, at what time I want that task to be done. So you can select the time whatever fits you and you can just add it. Due time, you can also add it from here. Like suppose I want to like 1:30, and that's all, like I have done it. Okay, so tomorrow 1:30, it has been already attached here, and it is my name. And I want, if I want to edit people, I can just simply write their name and they will be over there. Okay, so this is how we create the new task. Now you can see added YT videos. Here you can see recently assigned, it has been there. The due date is over there. Projects, it will be show over there. You can go ahead and you can check the details over there. Okay, so you can see that tomorrow add to projects and all those things I have here. This is a private task to me, so that's why it is only showing up to me. But if I want to show it to everyone on this dashboard, to my whole team member, then I will do it make public, and then you will get to see that all the people can see it, right? We do not want that, so we will not do that. Obviously, by clicking on these three small what to say pointers, I can see that you can take it as a full screen. You can make like add to projects if you want. You can duplicate the task and you can just change the details and you are good to go. If you do not want to do all the things again and again, and if you want to attach a file again, you can do that. So you can attach file from here as well, plus you can attach file from here as well. Okay, and if you want to add the collaborators, you can simply add from here, and once this task is done and you want to leave it, you can simply leave from here. So you see, so easy and so amazing it is. If someone has provided this task to you and you like it, you just simply have to put like, and that's all. So it is just an engagement part. uh, where it is, yes, this one. Yeah, you can also attach the subtask. For example, you want some person to do this task first, then you should then they are supposed to do such tasks. Like you can do here content research for marketing, YouTube video, or whatever it is, etc, etc, blah blah blah, whatever it is. Okay, so you can attach the subtask here from there as well, and you can add as many as you want. And you can also attach the subnotes here. So you can see, after attaching this subtask, I can choose the assignee, like to whom I want to give this task to. Similarly, I can attach the due date that I have shown you just few minutes back, and I will add the description as well. Again, if you want to add subtasks, you can do that. So you see how easy it is to, I will say, to engage a lot of tasks in just one project or one singular task, you see. Okay, so this is how we do that. And if you will do the subtasking of the main task, then you will get to see such kind of sign. It shows that it contains loop and it contains subtask. And if a task is just like plain like one only, then it will not show this subtask symbol over here. So you see, so how it is, so how easy it is, right? Also, if you want to add more people to your board, you will simply click over share, and you can add them using their email and they will get invited. This is my private, so obviously I will not allow anyone to come into here. And what I can do is I will just simply click over here and I can synchronize to calendar. So you can make use of calendar as well from here. It's just about that you have to go ahead and you have to play around it, and you will get to see a lot of features. You can also add task via email. So you can simply go ahead and you can simply attach that task and you are good to go. Yeah, so this is how it done. What's next? Okay, yeah, if you want to export CSV, you can do that as well. If you want to print it, you can do that as well. And reporting, it is a new feature and you can try it for free, but you have to you have to enter your card details, I guess. So yes, this is how you have to do that. uh, what next? We have inbox. So if you want to send anyone message, you can just click over here and you can send message to anyone you want. uh, what next? We have nothing next. Okay, so yeah, on the home page, when you will go and even you will do the task and everything, you will get to see that all task and what is remaining over here. So this is just a, I will say, small video explaining how Asana works and how you can make it work. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.